In this video, we will guide you through the installation process of Cyclos 4. This process is documented in detail in the installation guide, like the other steps we already accomplished. First, we have to download the latest version of Cyclos from the Cyclos license server. If you haven't already done so, please create an account by registering. Next, you log in and download the latest version. In this case, it's version 4.14.11. Save the zip file in a temporary directory, open the zip file and extract the web folder. Let's rename the web folder to root. Then we don't have to do that later. Eventually, we will copy this root folder into the root directory of our Tomcat server. As explained in the documentation, this results in Cyclos running directly under the domain name. We want to see Cyclos directly and not after entering /Cyclos. In the new root folder, look for a subfolder with path name root, web-inf, classes. This folder holds a file named Cyclos Release Properties. Make a copy of this file and rename it to Cyclos Properties. Now, we have to edit this file and update the user credentials. The database is named Cyclos 4, that's okay. Username is Cyclos, but the password we entered was 1234, so let's edit that. This is very important. When the user credentials are not right, Cyclos cannot access the database. So check and double check. The rest is okay, so we can save and close the file. Next we go back to the root folder and zip it again. This takes some time. As you might have noticed, we slightly deviated from the installation guide. We chose to edit the property file in our local environment and upload it when ready, instead of uploading first and editing in the droplet. When it's finished, everything is ready to copy the zip file to our Tomcat server. To make things easy, we move the zip file to the home directory. Next, we close the connection with our droplet and prepare our system to transfer the zip file. We will use SCP for this. We use the example key to connect and copy root.zip to the root of our droplet. After a short wait, it is finished. We are almost there. But we still have to change a few things in our droplet. So, let's connect once again. First, we have to remove something in the Tomcat directory. We go to the Web Apps directory. It holds a folder called root. This is the one we have to remove. We now can unzip our root.zip file and place it in the empty Web Apps folder. But, you have to install unzip first. By now, you know the drill. First do an apt update, and then an apt install unzip. Okay, so let's try again. Unzip root.zip and place it in the empty Web Apps directory. So far so good. When we installed Tomcat, a Tomcat user is made as well. We have to make this user the owner of the unzipped root folder. At the moment, root is the owner, because we put it there. We used chown to change ownership. Now, we are ready to restart the Tomcat server and run Cyclos for the very first time. It takes some time for Cyclos to initialize the database, but, after a few minutes, there it is. Your own Cyclos instance just started. Please enter your username and password from the Cyclos license server you created earlier. Then your instance will automatically connect to the license server and create a free license key for you, which can be used with a maximum of 300 users. Now, it is very tempting to start defining users, groups, back accounts and so on, but we urge you to look at the other videos first. Choices you make cannot easily be undone.